Hi, let's talk about SEO today. I think it shouldn't be hard, and I've gotten clients from around 50 organic visitors a month to over 5,000 organic visitors a month in less than 2 years. So let me demonstrate how we can actually do this, specifically using HubSpot, but you can also do this on your own, just following everything that I'm explaining in this video. The core idea here is that you want to work with topic clusters, so the concept of pillar pages and then the child pages that are linked to them. And this way you get a topic cluster. Let me share my screen to explain this a little bit further. So right now we're in HubSpot. If you go to marketing, website, SEO, you get this page. And we want to go to topics here. Let's do research topics, and well, we're going to make this a little bit meta today, and we're going to type in content marketing. Click done, and this is where we start off. So we can see our main topic here, content marketing, with about 27,000 monthly searches within the United States, which is the market that we're focusing on right now. To best explain this, I'm just going to show you how you would actually use this. So for each topic that you have here, you want to attach a content URL. So I want to have a pillar page on my website. Let's say I'm in the business of providing content marketing services, which would be the case here. I want to link this to the page where I am talking about content marketing. And the basic principle here is you want to think like your customers, like the person searching content marketing in Google, and trying to imagine like what page would satisfy someone searching for content marketing. That's what you want to go through for all of these pages. Right now I don't have a real website here, but let's say if it's an external URL, I would say content marketing safe, and then that page would be linked to this specific keyword. So that's then set up. Now we want to see what subtopics that we can use here. So the content marketing, as we can see here, has 27,000 monthly searches. So this is a broad topic, but we also want to be more specific. Basically, whatever somebody might need when they search for content marketing, any additional questions that they might have, is something that we want to add to our website so that they can basically find everything that they want on our website. So let's go to subtopic, and if we start again here with content marketing, you will see that HubSpot is able to already provide subtopic keyword IDs. So we have content marketing agency, strategy, services, like all of these are pretty relevant for what we're trying to do here. So let's say we start with content marketing agency. Okay, that's one subtopic we have. Then we want to add another one. So again, search for content marketing. And in the meantime, you will also see here that these have less monthly searches, which means that they're also more specific. So content marketing strategy is another interesting one. I think that anyone looking for content marketing probably also wants to know more about the strategy. So here another one would be, what is content marketing? It's actually also a pretty good one. It will be more top of funnel, people just starting to think about content marketing. But it will be good to get those people to our website as well, because Google usually also remembers the people that have been to your website and will rank other content of the same website higher after that. So let's see if we go to content marketing examples. I always like some examples. Now let's see if we maybe can go a bit further on content marketing strategy. Maybe there's like even more specific ones here. Oh, this is a good one. So B2B content marketing strategy. It's even more specific than content marketing strategy. We have a little less searches here. So we definitely want to add that one as well. And then for all of these, you would also want to add the content URL there as well. So say that this is our basic URL here. Let me quickly copy that. Then, for example, I'm just going to demonstrate this for one of them. Then this URL would probably be content marketing / content marketing agency. So here now we can see we have this linked, and this is how we start building out this cluster. Then once this is all working and we are using this in like a working environment, then we will be able to see all of the results here. Now, since that this is a demo environment again, I'll quickly show you a screenshot from how it is demonstrated on HubSpot's own website. So this is a screenshot from HubSpot's website. And as you can see, they have a couple of topics here, and then total content will be the clusters underneath these topics. But this is like more or less what you would see. So if this is all linked properly, you will see the sessions for each of your topics and topic clusters. You will see the average session length for it. You will see the average position, since it's also linked with your Google Search Console. You will see the impressions and the average click-through rate, which is pretty low in this case, by the way. But we can also see the position is not that great either. We always want to get at a position lower than 10, which means that you will be listed on the first page. So this is actually how you would analyze how your content is doing. And like if one of the main topics is not doing as well, or you're like just positioned on the second page, it can probably help to add some more content underneath this pillar, and also link this content, link these pages to each other. So link it to the main page, link the main page to the pages that are in the same, under the same content pillar. And this way, Google will also learn how your content is actually structured, and it's easier for people to get from one piece of content to the other, which means that they stay on your website longer, and the chances of them going back to Google to search for the same keyword or same search query again is way lower, which means that Google knows that they send someone to the right page. Now, if you're using HubSpot's CMS Hub, you will also get something like this, where you get even more guidance on how to do your search engine optimization. So as you can see here, it will say, okay, this page has a meta description. It's very important for every page on your website to have a good meta description. This is basically your marketing text. This is how you get people on your website. Same for the title, listed all the way at the top here. And then it also checks the length of the meta description, because we know that Google needs a certain length to fill it out. Then here it says meta description and title are unique, which is also important because we don't want duplicate content. So for example, for this page, it's apparently not the case, so they need to fix that. And then also it checks for the alt text for images, for example. You want this alt text to also be linked to the topic for the page that you're trying to rank on. So that is how you actually figure out what content that you want to create. And then last but not least, I also highly recommend checking out Ahrefs' blog, which is really great, a really great resource to learn more about SEO in general. And it's not just for using Ahrefs, like they just have great articles, great tutorials on how to do SEO in general, even when you're not using Ahrefs. So I hope you will enjoy that. And if you liked this tutorial, you probably will also like this tutorial right here, which is another great explanation of an interesting HubSpot feature that you might like. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.